Go to odmscloud.lmsystem.com and under Existing User, click Sign In. Where you'd normally enter your credentials, click Forgot Your Password and enter the email address associated with your user account and click Send Verification Code. You'll receive a code to your email, enter this in the box and click Verify Code and click Continue. You'll then need to be sent a second verification code, so click Send Verification Code again, enter the new verification code that you receive and click Verify Code and click Continue. It'll process that information and then prompt you to enter a new password. It needs to be between 8 and 64 characters and also a combination of upper and lowercase, a number and or a symbol. Enter the same password in the second box and click Continue. ODMS Cloud will then process that information, update your password, and you'll be able to continue using ODMS Cloud.